Hey everyone, I wanted to show you how you can save photos to your Chromebook or laptop from Google. Now, remember, this is a last resort. First option should be taking your own photo or using an image that you took. But if that is not possible, you may come to Google and find an image that you want to use for your project. So, I like cats. Yes, I have my own cat photos. But for the sake of an example, here are some cats I'm really liking. This guy here. So once the image is up here a little bit bigger, if you have a mouse, you can right click and then go to Save Image As. Now, if you're on a Chromebook, what you need to do is a soft tap with two fingers on the touchpad. Okay, that'll bring up the same options. So I'm going to right click. If you don't have a mouse, use two fingers to do a soft tap, not a click, soft tap, and you'll get these. Go to Save Image As, and then you have to make sure that it has JPG or that you save it as a JPEG. Okay, if it's another file type, it may not work for our program to draw a grid on it. So make sure it is a JPEG. You can rename it here if you want to. So kind of like that cat relaxing on patio. So I am gonna save that. And now this is saved to my computer and I can open up my grid drawing tool and then I'll be able to add that. Okay, guys, so hope that helps and find you a good image to draw. Remember, it has to be a photo, not a drawing of something.